Today, I will present you with an indicator very good for swing trading that probably you never heard about. After a backtest with over 6,000 trades, this indicator had an amazing performance with a high win rate. So, sit back and stay tuned to see all the real and proven results. Let's go! So, I'm on TradingView, which is the platform that I use to backtest every indicator and strategy. TradingView is a platform that you can use for free, but if you are ready to use its premium tools to carry out trading in a more professional way, you can enjoy a discount of up to $30 when you use the link I left in the description. For the backtest process, I will use an algo that I created that can backtest over 100,000 trades in just a few seconds with the most real and proven results possible. It is a highly powerful tool that you will have full access to from today on. Let's add our indicator, which is called Half Trend. I will use this one here by Everget. The settings that I will use are 3 and 2. I tested different combinations of settings and these were the ones that made the indicator signals smoother. This indicator uses a combination of moving averages and a filter to define the trend. As you can see, this indicator displays a line on the chart. When its color changes to blue, it means that the trend will probably become bullish and therefore it could be a good opportunity to take a long position. And when its color changes to red, it might be a good time to take a short position. You can also check this information through the arrows that the indicator prints on the chart. So, this is a simple indicator for beginner traders. Also, I am going to search for the ATR indicator and I will use it with the default settings. I use the ATR indicator for risk management. First, I will test the performance of this indicator alone and then I will add a secondary confirmation indicator to the strategy to see if the results get even better. So, for now, I'm going to code in my algo that the long and short signals will be when the indicators say so. For the risk management, I will use the value of 1.5 times the ATR pip value for stop losses and the value of 1 times the ATR for take profits, so that in the end I can compare the results of this indicator with other indicators that have already been tested here on the channel with the same risk management rules. For the backtest, the bot will use a risk of 2% per trade. It will test the indicator on the 28 most common forex pairs, on the daily time frame and on the data from the years 2010 to 2021. So it is a large and solid sample, which will give us the most real results on this indicator. Of course, a backtest of this size will take months to do. That's why I use my algo to handle it. I will now show you all the results and pay attention to the speed with which the bot gives me all the statistics about this strategy. I'll see you in a bit. If you are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to like and subscribe. It's free and, in this way, you will never miss any of my videos. I remind you that nobody else does backtests with more than 10,000 trades here on YouTube. It is just me. So, what are you waiting for? Subscribe! Here are the backtest results and we can see that after over 6,700 trades, the half trend indicator has an average win rate of 60.78%. and a profit of almost 121%. Therefore, we can verify that this is a profitable indicator with a high win rate and one of the bests we have tested so far in the channel. I will now add the untrend price DPO indicator with a period of 21 that will act as a secondary confirmation indicator. So, a valid long signal will be when the half trend indicator says so and the DPO is green, and a valid short signal will be when the DPO is red. If you don't know the untrend price DPO indicator, watch this video, where I tested it 8,000 times. Link in the description. I will now repeat the backtest and I will show you if the results have improved. Here are the new backtest results, and we can see that now, after over 4,700 trades, the strategy had an average win rate of 60.56% and a profit of 64%. Under these conditions, the DPO did not improve the performance of the half trend indicator, as the win rate decreased. Nevertheless, I think you can still get much better results. I advise you to test this indicator strategy with other settings or on other time frames. This indicator also works in other markets, such as in cryptos, metals and stocks. As you saw during this video, this algo does all the backtesting work for you. It does in seconds what it will take you months or years to do manually. And the best part is that it gives you real and proven results for each indicator and strategy. It can be applied to any time frame, market, or with whatever settings you want. Its possibilities are endless. This algo will, from today on, be your best friend that will help you find the best trading strategy. And no, it doesn't cost thousands of dollars, as my main goal is to help you finally succeed in trading. As such, you will be able to have full access to all my algos and many other premium contents through the channel's Patreon, just for a symbolic value. In this video, you can see in detail what you can do with this algo and analyze the Excel that you will have full access to whenever I bring a new strategy to the channel. So, if you want, you can have access to this algo with a half trend indicator from today on. Feel free to test it whatever you want. I look forward to receiving your feedback. You can do it through the comments here on YouTube or through the public Discord group. I will be waiting. And that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and don't forget to subscribe, share and like it to support me in bringing more content to you. Be well, thank you, bye bye.